Sparklebox. Are you curious to learn robotics or wanna try something new? Science experiments? Then definitely visit our website sparklebox.co.in. You can also find the website link in the description link below. You can find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. Quickly grab some kits for your kids. They will definitely love them. Wishing all the super cool dads a very happy Father's Day. Today I'm going to show you 3 interesting super cool Father's Day cards. Let's quickly make them.
A4 sheets, pencil, Fevicol, scissors and sketch pen.
Take a red colored sheet and start drawing a popcorn basket. Let's make a small crumbled balls. Paste these crumbled balls on top of the basket. of it and tomatoes on the bottom with sketch pen. Now take a red color sheet and cut a circle from it. Now, with a green colored sheet, let's make a grass-like structure which looks on top of tomato. So our Father's Day tomato card is ready. We have written, I love you from my head to my toes. To my toes, together we have written as tomatoes. Isn't it fun? Let's quickly get into our third card. For our third card, let's take a green color sheet and cut it in an ice cream shaped structure. Using a Fevicol. On this greeting card, I'm writing, Dad, you're the coolest. And then start decorating it as shown. greeting cards are ready. Aren't they fun? Share your work with us in our Instagram account. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. It's time for us to stay safe at home and let's learn something new